Again, this is another moment of truth. He came forward and as if he was going to tell a secret. இன்டர்வியூ ரூமே முதல்ல ரொம்ப சைலண்ட்டாக இருக்கும், ரைட்? கொஞ்சோண்டு பேசினா கூட நல்லா கேட்கும். இட்ஸ் வெரி சைலண்ட். வி ஆல் நோ தட் when Swami is here, this how pin drop silence it would be, right? But he whispered. He came to the edge of his seat as if he's going to tell a secret, as if he's going to deliver something which he doesn't want everybody to know. He came forward and he said, suddenly he asked, do you know why all these people are sitting outside? இத்தனை பேர் வெளில உட்காந்துருக்காங்க இல்லை, எதுக்காக உட்காந்துருக்காங்கன்னு தெரியுமா? எதுக்காக இங்கே வந்திருக்காங்கன்னு தெரியுமா? That's what he asked. You know, when such questions come, there are only two things. One, you can blurt whatever comes to your mind, definitely to make a fool of yourself. Or patiently sit back because be ready, because some bolt is coming. It's 200% a bolt is coming on you. We are looking at each other. 5-6 of us who are sitting there, we are looking at each other. We are really not answering Swami. Tell Swami, we don't know. I will tell you a secret, he said. I will tell you a secret. What you would have expected at that point in time is probably Swami to tell that they're all here because they want something or the other of Swami. They have come here to see Swami. No? Everybody sitting out there is having a want. Everybody sitting out there is asking Swami something. Idu venu, adu venu, adu venu, idu venu, edachum onu venu, right? Or at least nee venu, right? At least I need you. There is a want, there is a need, right? I am telling you a secret today. அவ எதற்கு வந்திருக்கான்னு எனக்கும் தெரியாது, பட் ஆனால் நான் இங்கே அவளுக்காக மாத்திரம்தான் இருக்கேன். He said, I am here only because they are there. I am here only because they are there. If they are not there, I am not needed here. Again, looking back, when his physical presence is not there, some of these sentences that he has spoken has been so deep-rooted, that we have lived in the midst of a phenomena that has touched us at all levels, at a level where, ஒரு மார்க் கம்மியாக வாங்கும் போய் he saves you from it, and suddenly on the other end you see that he reveals himself as somebody who knows everything that is happening, absolutely everything that is happening, and somebody who has allowed us to take the path that is suitable to us, not really prescribing one path. Whatever is your path, whatever is convenient to you, right? He ensures that the path has minimum boulders, and even if there are minimum boulders, he is there to help you to get over it. So such a beautiful Swami who has been with us and who continues to be with us.